You can just move around or whatever. I don't really care that much.
Yeah.
Just as long as you get it.
I won't put you out the camera.
Alright, here we go.
Get in.
Get it up on Facebook, yeah, on YouTube.
YouTube, I'm not putting it on Facebook.
There's the big boy. Wait, we should time it. Wait. Let me get a timer.
6:56.
Okay, 6:56. There he goes.
I'm not wearing my top.
Oh, gee, he's fucking
I'm gonna get filthy.
sick. From the first bite, the first moment in your mouth.
Oh, freaking.
Just use your hands, man.
It's really hot though.
Ah. How you gonna feast it?
3, 2.
Oh, there he goes.
It's been a few years now since Richie handed hosting duties to Mark Nicholas. So the job is one.
Oh, that's so hot.
Come on, man, you can do it. Focusing on your face. Don't give up.
The team, when they're not calling games, spend time together. Some on the computer, but
Yeah, mate.
Is it really hot?
Fucking blown. This one's for you boys out there.
It's focusing on your face, it's really cool. Look at that monster. How can anyone human eat that?
Where'd you go? I miss you so. Seems like it's been forever that you've been gone.
She said some days I feel like shit, some days I wanna quit and just be normal for a bit. I don't understand why you have to always be gone. I get along, but the trips always feel so long. And I find myself trying to stay by the phone, cause your voice always helps me to not feel so alone. But I feel like an idiot, working my day around the call, but when I pick up I don't have much to say. So I want you to know it's a little fucked up that I'm stuck here waiting, at times debating, telling you that I've had it with you and your career. Me and the rest of the family here singing Where'd You Go?
I miss you so. Seems like it's been forever that you've been gone. Where'd you go? I miss you so. Seems like it's been forever that you've been gone. Please
Come back home, you know, the place where you used to live. Used to barbecue with burgers and ribs. Used to have a little party every Halloween with candy by the pile. But now, you only stop by every once in a while. Shit, I find myself just filling my time with anything to keep the thought of you from my mind. I'm doing fine, and I'm planning to keep it that way. You can call me if you find that you have something to say, and I'll tell you, I want you to know it's a little fucked up that I'm stuck here waiting, at times debating, telling you that I've had it with you and your career. Me and the rest of the family here singing Where'd You Go?
I miss you so. Seems like it's been forever that you've been gone. Where'd you go? I miss you so. Seems like it's been forever that you've been gone. Please come back home.
I want you to know it's a little
Till the day I die, I'll spill my heart for you, for you. Till the day I die, I'll spill my heart for you. As years go by, I race the clock with you. But if you die right now, you know that I die too. I die too. You remind me of the times when I knew who I was. But still, the second hand will catch us like it always does. We'll make the same mistakes. I'll take the fall for you. I hope you need this now, 'cause I know I still do. Until the day I die, I'll spill my heart for you. Until the day I die, I'll spill my heart for you. Should I bite my tongue until blood soaks my shirt? We'll never fall apart. Tell me why this hurts so much. My hands are at your throat and I think I hate you. But still I say remember when, just like we always do, just like we always do. Until the day I die, I'll spill my heart for you.
Hey, he's taken down a whole 1.8 kilogram chicken.
16 minutes.
No, it's less.
Is that it?
Here, I'll just double check.
That's just fat. He's actually done it. The rest is just stuffing on I took down all the flesh.
Huh?
What's that for you?
You want some bolognese?
Tell me there's gonna be some chicken ranch for you.
Just suck that. Just suck that.
That's not meat.
Oh yeah, you fucking snitchel!
Oh shit, is it burn?
Oh, probably.
I'll have it.
Right.
You want bolognese?
Oh, you want some tequila?
I'm good, thanks.
Sure, come on.
Yeah.
You got it.
You gotta wash down that chicken.
Oh, they know the trunk.
Look your fingers, Mike.
Oh man, that costs
There you
nothing,
go.
like.
Finish it like everything.
Oh, you want some bolognese? Back up.
What's more nice?
You know what bolognese is?
Spaghetti and bolognese.
Spaghetti bolognese.
Thankful.
Oh, you like homemade spaghetti, sorry.
Yeah, it's homemade spaghetti bolognese.
No, my mom's homemade spaghetti.
Oh, that's a good one.
Mike, should I stop recording? Oh wait, now just make a brief statement.
Here we go, boys. This is it.
Bring the plate.
Oh, do you want to finish that after this?
1.8 kilos of meat.
We'll chuck it in the barbie later. We'll put on beef.
There you go. Everything's done. Everything's done. There. And his
Oh,
breath,
stop recording.
breath smell. No, it's not.
Right.
His breath smells like a dog.
Not really. I can take down way more. Bill, Joe, Bill. I played, soloed that mate. Bill.